Now, illustration 5, mark this sum extremely important for exam. As on 31/12/2014, trial balance of Sri Raman Lal does not tally. Yani here it is clearly given that trial balance of Raman Lal does not tally. It means what? There's going to be a suspense account, and therefore he has written a difference of 576 on the credit side of suspense account and gets his trial balance tally. Later on, after preparing final accounts, the following errors are detected in the next year. So now there are various errors given. To rectify the above error, pass necessary rectification entries and prepare suspense account at the end of year 2014. At the end of year 2014, if profit and loss account discloses a profit of 31440, find out correct profit after rectification of error. So we already had one profit. Our trial balance did not tally. So we use suspense account, temporarily tally कर दिया, final accounts बना दिया, profit find कर दिया. पर ये profit सही नहीं है. This is not the correct profit because there are errors in books of accounts. So what we did, we found out the errors, we will rectify them, and then we will find out what's the correct profit. Okay, go through the sum once again. Sure. Now, what we will do is we'll first rectify the errors and then we will go for the concept of the suspense account and effect on profit and loss account. So right now, let's focus on rectification of error. Write the heading, rectification entries in the books of Raman Lal, and let's start. First one, rupees 2596 received from Ashok is posted word को underline करो, posted as 180 on the debit side of his account. Now what a big error we have made. So first let's write the correct entry. So the correct entry is rupees 2596 received from Ashoka. Can you tell me the correct entry?
Cash account to Ashok account.
Cash account debit amount is 2596 to Ashok account. Now, there is a mistake in Ashok account. So let's draw Ashok account. Now, Ashok account should be credited with 2596. But what we have done, we have debited it with rupees 180. We have wrongfully debited it with rupees 180. So on the debit side, we have recorded 182 cash account, which is absolutely wrong. So now we have to reverse what is wrong and write what is correct. So we reverse first of all this, which is wrong. So 180, and then what is correct is 2596. So do the total. 2776 by suspense account. So we write the entry suspense account debit 2776 to Ashok account. 2776. Now, let's write the entry in journal entry. First, suspense account debit 2776 to Ashok account. 2776. Second, rupees 1424, rupees 1424 paid for repairing expense were posted on the debit side of machinery account as 624. So again, we have to first write the correct entry and see what's the error, make a machinery account. So let's write the entry. Next one. What is the correct entry?
Repairing expense account debit to cash account.
Yes, repairing expense account debit 1424 to cash account 1424. Now, problem is with repairing expense account, so we prepare repairing expense account. All of you have to do this in rough or in the rough work, okay, along with the sum. Now, what is happening over here? Repairing expense should have been debited with 1424, but repairing expense account we did not record anything, rather we posted it in machinery account as rupees 624. So instead of repair expense, we recorded the same in machinery account. Now what is happening? Dhyan do. Now machinery account we posted rupees 624. So we posted wrong. So I'm writing in red to cash account 624. तो now machinery account में तो ये बिल्कुल आना ही नहीं चाहिए था, तो हमें इसको यहाँ से निकालना पड़ेगा. तो we reverse it. So we write by suspense 624. So one is this. Secondly, repair expense में वो अभी तक आया ही नहीं है, तो we have to record. So to suspense account on the debit side 1424. So now we have two separate entry. One entry is repair expense account debit to suspense account 1424, and over here suspense account debit 624 to machinery 624. Now we pass a combined entry, which I'm writing in rough over here, then we'll write it fair. Now repair expense account will be debited. So repair expense account debit 1424. Suspense account debit 624 and credit 1424. So it will come on the credit side only. So first I write to machinery account 624 and to suspense account 800. So this is our rectifying entry. Do the working and write in fair. Is the working done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So write the entry. Repairing expense account debit 1424 to machinery account 624 and to suspense account 800. Now let's go to the third one. Discount of rupees 100. Discount of rupees 100 given by Piyush is credited to his account as well as discount received account. Now, discount is given by Piyush. We should have credited it to discount account, but we credited to discount account as well as to Piyush account. So, what has gone wrong over here? Discount received account got credited with rupees 100 and Piyush account also got credited with 100. Now this is the mistake what we have committed. Now what should be the correct journal entry? Correct entry should be Piyush account debit 100 to discount received account. So this is our correct entry. Discount received as income. We always credit income. Now, discount account 100, what we had to credit, we have already credited. So there is no problem with this. This is correct. But problem is Piyush account. So let's draw Piyush account. So in Piyush account, we credited 100 instead of debiting 100. So over here, we recorded 100 on the credit side, which is wrong. So now we need to first reverse what is wrong and then we have to do what is correct. So 100 once, 100 twice. So we reverse what is wrong and we did what is correct. So 200, we write to suspense account. So the entry will be Piyush account debit to suspense account credit. Piyush account debit 200 to suspense account 200. Fourth, rupees 1828 paid to Narendra is debited to Mahindra account as 1028. So wrong account Narendra के बदले Mahindra and wrong amount also. So दो mistake हो गया. So paid to Narendra. Let's write the correct entry. Narendra account debit 1828 to cash account 1828. Now what has happened? Instead of debiting Narendra, we recorded on debit side of Mahindra account. So I'll draw Mahindra account. On the debit side, we have recorded 1028, which is absolutely wrong. यहाँ पे तो आना ही नहीं चाहिए, तो इसको हम रिवर्स कर देते हैं, इसके अकाउंट में से निकाल देते हैं. सो वी राइट बाय सस्पेंस 1028. एक महिंद्रा अकाउंट जो रॉन्गली डेबिट हुआ था उसको क्रेडिट कर दिया. अब करेक्ट क्या है? नरेंद्र अकाउंट है. सो नरेंद्र अकाउंट में नरेंद्र अकाउंट में अब हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे टू सस्पेंस 1828 to suspense 1828. So now we have two entries. One entry is Mahindra account credit हो रहा है और suspense account debit हो रहा है. So Mahindra account credit, so I'll write to Mahindra account. और नरेंद्र अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है, सो नरेंद्र अकाउंट डेबिट. And the difference goes to suspense account. $800. So this will be our rectifying entry. So let's write the rectifying entry. So basically two entry we have to pass for rectifying: suspense to Mahendra and Narendra to suspense. So we combined both of the entries and we got this rectifying entry. So let's write Narendra account debit 1828 to Mahindra account 1028 and to suspense account 800. किसी को कोई डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, fifth one is very simple. Total of purchase book is undercast. Now tell me purchase book यानी कौन सा अकाउंट में ये टोटल जाएगा? परचेस बुक का कौन से अकाउंट में,
Debit.
कौन से अकाउंट में?
परचेस
परचेज अकाउंट में परचेज अकाउंट का बैलेंस हमेशा क्या होता है?
डेबिट
डेबिट
अंडर कास्ट हुआ है तो
डेबिट है।
इससे वो 100 को भी कर देंगे डेबिट। तो राइट द एंट्री परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट purchase account debit 400 to what? To suspense account 400. Now sixth one is again very simple. तुम डायरेक्टली कर सकते हो. Purchase of furniture 1468 is debited to purchase account. तो गलती से परचेज अकाउंट को डेबिट कर दिया तो अब परचेज को करेंगे क्रेडिट. तो डेबिट किसको करेंगे?
फर्नीचर
फर्नीचर अकाउंट।
यहाँ पे सस्पेंस अकाउंट आएगा?
नो
नो, बिकॉज
सर
डेबिट तो डेबिट ही हुआ, रॉन्ग अकाउंट में गया, बट साइड रिमेन द सेम. सो डेबिट इज इक्वल टू क्रेडिट, सो नो सस्पेंस अकाउंट विल कम. फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट, amount is 1468 to purchase account. Close it, do the totals. Eight zero nine six 8096. Now, this rectification part we have already done. Now, let's go to the question. Now, as on 31/12/2014, trial balance does not tally and therefore a difference of 576 on the credit side of suspense account. So he had a difference of 576 on suspense account. So we already had a balance of suspense account. Again, while rectifying, you can see we have debited suspense, we have credited suspense. So suspense account, there is a movement, either it has increased, either it has decreased. So let's see what happens to the suspense account. It is given over here. To rectify the above error, pass necessary rectification entry and prepare suspense account. So let's prepare suspense account. Now already you have made the format. So there is a credit balance. So buy balance bought forward. $576. So this was the balance difference. Balance means this was the difference which was credited to suspense account. Now let's see what happens to suspense account. So we will be doing normal ledger posting for suspense account. फर्स्ट एंट्री पे आ जाओ, तुम्हारे नोटबुक में देखो. फर्स्ट एंट्री इज सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट टू अशोक अकाउंट 2776. सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेबिट first to Ashok account. 2776. We do the posting. So first transaction done. All of you understood the first transaction? किसी को इसमें कोई doubt? किसी को
No,
कोई
sir.
doubt? Okay. Now let's go to the second transaction. Repair expense account debit 1424, to machinery account 624, and to suspense account 800. So suspense account will be credited by 800, date 2, 800 by repairing expense account. By repairing expense account. Next, Piyush account debit to suspense account 200. Piyush account debit to suspense account 200. So credit side suspense account 200 by Piyush account 200. Fourth entry, Narendra Mahendra to suspense. Again, suspense account credit 800. Suspense account credit side 800 by Narendra account. Fifth one, purchase account debit to suspense account credit 400. Again, suspense account is credited by 400 by purchase account. Now, sixth transaction, furniture to purchase. ये कौन सी साइड आएगा सस्पेंस अकाउंट में? फर्नीचर
No,
टू
sir.
परचेज कौन सी साइड आएगा?
एक ही
Debit
side.
side.
कोई भी साइड नहीं आएगा बिकॉज इसमें तो फर्नीचर अकाउंट है माधव और परचेज अकाउंट है, तो फर्नीचर अकाउंट भी नहीं बना रहे, परचेज अकाउंट भी नहीं बना रहे, तो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी वो रिकॉर्ड होगा.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now let's see whether this suspense account is matching or there is still some difference. So as you can see, that debit side is equal to credit side, there is now no balance. So now suspense account ka balance becomes 0. Initially the balance was 576, but we rectified the errors and now we got this total debit which is equal to credit. There will be no balance over here. So suspense account निकल गया. अब जो नया ट्रायल बैलेंस बनाएंगे उसमें सस्पेंस अकाउंट आएगा नहीं. Okay, now in this sum, we have to show the effect of rectification on profit and loss. So first, let's understand what accounts affect profit and loss. So when you go for final accounts, you have trading account and you have profit and loss account. Now, what is a trading account? As the name says, trading. Trading means what? Buying and selling. Buying and selling what? Buying and selling of goods. So all goods related accounts will go to trading account. Now, कोई भी goods related account है, अगर वो debit है तो खर्चा हो रहा है, प्रॉफिट गोज डाउन. अगर वो क्रेडिट है जैसे कि सेल्स इज क्रेडिट, इट मींस प्रॉफिट बढ़ रहा है. तो अगर कोई भी गुड्स रिलेटेड अकाउंट डेबिट हुआ तो प्रॉफिट विल गो डाउन, एंड कोई भी गुड्स रिलेटेड अकाउंट क्रेडिट हुआ तो प्रॉफिट गोज अप. सो आई विल राइट ओवर हियर, यू आल्सो प्लीज राइट. गुड्स अकाउंट अगर डेबिट हुआ तो प्रॉफिट डिक्रीजेस, एंड गुड्स अकाउंट अगर क्रेडिट हुआ तो प्रॉफिट इंक्रीजेस. इसके साथ साथ परचेज रिलेटेड एक्सपेंस या रेगुलर एक्सपेंस, जो भी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट है वो डेबिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल डिक्रीज, और क्रेडिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल इंक्रीज. इनकम अकाउंट है, क्रेडिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल इंक्रीज, और डेबिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल डिक्रीज. सो आई राइट इट दिस वे टू अवॉइड दिस कंफ्यूजन कि सर इंक्रीज, डिक्रीज, डेबिट, क्रेडिट, इनकम, एक्सपेंस, OMG. So don't worry, don't get frustrated. You simply write this. कोई भी नॉमिनल अकाउंट, नॉमिनल अकाउंट यानी क्या? एक्सपेंस, इनकम, प्रॉफिट, गेन, लॉसेस, अगर डेबिट होता है तो प्रॉफिट डिक्रीजेस, और कोई भी नॉमिनल अकाउंट अगर क्रेडिट होता है तो प्रॉफिट इंक्रीजेस. Please write this, and please write this. Now the question comes कि सर ये नॉमिनल अकाउंट और रियल अकाउंट रिलेटेड टू गुड्स तो आपने बता दिया, बट व्हाट अबाउट अदर बैलेंस शीट अकाउंट्स? सो बैलेंस शीट अकाउंट्स जो भी है, बैलेंस शीट वाले अकाउंट्स, ओके, जैसे कि कैपिटल है, लायबिलिटी है, असेट है, उसको प्रॉफिट या लॉस को उसमें कोई फर्क पड़ता नहीं है. इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट योर प्रॉफिट और लॉस. यानी अगर कोई पर्सनल अकाउंट है तो वो प्रॉफिट या लॉस को अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. कोई असेट अकाउंट है तो प्रॉफिट या लॉस को अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. कैपिटल अकाउंट या ड्रॉइंग्स अकाउंट है तो नहीं करेगा, और लायबिलिटीज अकाउंट है तो भी अफेक्ट नहीं करेगा. तो बैलेंस शीट रिलेटेड कोई भी अकाउंट है, जैसे कि कोई पर्सनल अकाउंट है, किसी का नाम है, असेट है, कैपिटल है, लायबिलिटीज है, ड्रॉइंग्स है, तो वो हमारे प्रॉफिट को अफेक्ट करेगा नहीं. प्रॉफिट को क्या अफेक्ट करेगा? वो अकाउंट जो हमारे ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में आते हैं. इसका डिटेल डिस्कशन हमने किया था इन द चैप्टर जर्नल प्रॉपर, उसका लास्ट लेक्चर. You can see that lecture again if you want to. Now, we come back to this sum. Now we have to show the effect of rectification on profit and loss. So let's go one by one. So first transaction, first entry, let's check out. Suspense account, so suspense account goes to balance sheet, तो उससे हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता प्रॉफिट या लॉस पे. और अशोक अकाउंट इज ऑल्सो अ पर्सनल अकाउंट, तो ये अमाउंट और ये अकाउंट की वजह से प्रॉफिट लॉस को कोई फर्क पड़ेगा नहीं. सो वी राइट ओवर योर प्रॉफिट dash loss remains unaffected. So nothing will come over here, nothing will come over here. Profit loss remain unaffected. Next, second one, repair expense account. Repair expense account डेबिट. तो मुझे बताओ प्रॉफिट इंक्रीज होगा या प्रॉफिट डिक्रीज होगा?
Decrease.
प्रॉफिट विल इंक्रीज और प्रॉफिट विल डिक्रीज?
Decrease.
डिक्रीज, बिकॉज
Decrease.
एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है. कोई भी एक्सपेंस अकाउंट डेबिट होगा, कोई भी नॉमिनल अकाउंट डेबिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल डिक्रीज. सो लेट्स राइट फॉर दिस सेकेंड वन. Profit decreases as repairing expense account is debited. So in the decrease column, write the amount 1424. In the decrease column, you write the amount 1424. Now, what about मशीनरी एंड सस्पेंस? क्या ये प्रॉफिट को अफेक्ट करेगा, मशीनरी या सस्पेंस अकाउंट?
No.
No,
No.
it will not affect. Now third one, पीयूष टू सस्पेंस,
No.
कोई भी अफेक्ट करेगा नहीं. सो थर्ड वी राइट प्रॉफिट लॉस रिमेन अनअफेक्टेड. Profit loss remain unaffected. Fourth one, Narendra Mahendra suspense. Profit
No.
increase or decrease? Profit increase or decrease?
Nothing will come.
Nothing will come.
Nothing will happen. So we write this. Profit loss remain unaffected. Fifth, परचेज अकाउंट, गुड्स अकाउंट डेबिट हो रहा है तो प्रॉफिट पे क्या इंपैक्ट होगा? डेबिट होगा तो
Decrease.
profit will decrease. So we write down fifth one, profit decreases as purchase account is debited. So decrease column में 400. Sixth, फर्नीचर अकाउंट डेबिट, फर्नीचर असेट अकाउंट प्रॉफिट पे इंपैक्ट आएगा डेबिट या क्रेडिट का? फर्नीचर पे, फर्नीचर का डेबिट या क्रेडिट प्रॉफिट पे कोई इफेक्ट आएगा? विल इट अफेक्ट द प्रॉफिट?
फर्नीचर में नहीं.
नो. बट परचेज अकाउंट अब क्या हो रहा है? क्रेडिट हो रहा है. तो प्रॉफिट पे क्या इंपैक्ट आएगा?
Increase.
Increases.
अकाउंट, गुड्स रिलेटेड अकाउंट क्रेडिट होगा तो प्रॉफिट विल इंक्रीज. सो लेट्स राइट सिक्स्थ वन, प्रॉफिट increases as purchase account is credited. 1468. 1468. Now, once we have done with this, just do the total. 1468 increase and decrease is 1824. Balance नहीं करना है, just total करना है. You just have to do the total. You don't have to balance them. Now, because of rectification, you can see now your profit should increase by 1468 and profit should decrease by 1824. Now, we already had a profit before rectification. So below this, leave one line blank and I will write profit for the year 2014 before rectification Now, what was given? Profit given in the question. Come to the question. Is 31440? Is 31440? Is 31440? Now, इसमें we add first increase in profit. कितना हुआ increase? This is the increase and this is the decrease. So increase is 1468. So we do the total. Total comes to 32908. Now, next, so we have this 32908 less. जो ऐड करना था वो ऐड कर दिया, अब लेस कर देते हैं. Decrease in profit. So what's the decrease in profit? Decrease in profit is 1824. This is the decrease in profit. So let's see what's the net amount. So 32908 minus 1824. So you get 31084. I double underline it. And this is going to be your profit or rectified profit for the year 2014. This is your final answer. So now I'll explain the flow once again. Our trial balance did not tally. We had a suspense account. We located the errors. Then we rectified all these errors. Once we rectified the errors, we again prepared a suspense account. And then suspense account got tallied, so the balance became zero now. So suspense account gone, and we had a profit before rectification. So now because of rectification, we had to see that what happens to the profit. So somewhere it has not affected, somewhere it has either increased or it has decreased. So what we finally did was, we had a profit before rectification, we added the increase, we deducted the decrease, we added the increase, and we deducted the decrease, and we got the final rectified profit or correct profit for the year 2014. So this becomes our rectified profit. So this is the complete cycle of rectification.